Well, hello boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to do simple math. Subtraction. That's right. We have 5 fruits. Look at them jumping on the bed. So cute.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was fun.
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll." 4 little monkeys.
4, 3, 2, 1.